Welcome back everybody to yet another episode, and in today's episode we're going to be unboxing the Warriors Tackle Supply, their Pro Box, as requested from you guys in the comment section. I had quite a few comments on it, so today that is what we're going to be doing, so stay tuned. So before we get into this unboxing, guys, as you guys know, I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. Now that upload schedule is going to change. I'm going to be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so I did miss an upload on Sunday, but that is this video for Monday. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I want to increase how many uploads I'm getting out to you guys. I want to get more content out to you guys. So look forward to videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And that's going to lead me into my next thing. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit the little bell notification so you don't miss when I upload a video. At 5,000 subscribers, we're doing a rod and reel giveaway. So if you guys want to be entered in that, you got to subscribe to the channel. So please do that. So enough about that, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the Pro Box from Warriors Tackle Supply. Now, I usually get the standard box, which is one of these boxes sitting right here, and we'll kind of go through the differences between them as well. But we are going to unbox a Pro Box. This was asked for in the comments quite a bit, so I'm looking forward to showing you guys what's in this. It's got some really good stuff. So first off, I want to kind of compare the boxes, guys. Now, this is a standard box that you can get from Warriors Tackle Supply. This is it, and then this is the Pro Box. So if we just put them on the table next to each other, which that kind of stacks them up for you guys. And then this is how thick this Pro Box is. It's pretty thick compared to the standard box, okay? The standard box, you definitely get a good chunk of lures in it, but the Pro Box really steps its game up. You get a lot in this box, guys. So let's open this bad boy up. All right, so the first thing that you guys are gonna see when you open up your box is this card right here. This is just going to tell you what lures you have or in the box and how much how much they're priced out to be. So the first thing in the box, guys, here that I see that I really like is this spinnerbait. It's like a peanut butter and jelly colored spinnerbait from Lunker Hunt. It is a 1/2 ounce spinnerbait, double willow bladed spinnerbait as well. This thing right here is going to come in at $5.99, so just about $6 for this sucker right here. I really like these Lunker Hunt spinnerbaits. I like the design that they have on them, where they, especially right here, so your line doesn't slip down the spinnerbait at all. I really do like Lunker Hunt spinnerbaits, so I'm pretty jacked about this one in the box. The next thing that I'm seeing in the box, guys, is a live target jerkbait. It's got like this 3D kind of patterned, like little paint job on it. If you guys can see that well, this sucker right here is actually coming in at $15.49, so almost 16 bucks for this jerkbait right here. Now this is something that I probably would not buy if I was in the store. Looking at it, I'd be like, I'm not gonna spend that much money on a lure like this. That's what I like about these boxes, guys. I like the fact that they put stuff in here that you probably, you're just like, man, I've never used that before. I don't want to spend that much money on something like that because you don't know how well it's going to work. That's the nice thing about these boxes. You get them in here, in the box, and you get to try them out and see if you like them or not. $15.49 for this lure, so that's already, I'm really liking this box so far. I got a spinnerbait from Lunker Hunt, and I also got a nice jerkbait as well. The next thing that I see in here is another live target lure, and this has got that same 3D kind of paint job on it, and this is actually a popper. This is the Lunker Hunt. It's a popper. It's got that 3D paint job. This is also going to come in at $15.49, guys. I'm really digging this popper as well. I love the paint job on this thing. Like I said, this is another thing that I'm probably not going to spend. I wouldn't spend 15, almost 16 bucks on this lure in the store, but got it in the box and I'm definitely going to be excited to try it. So the next thing that I'm seeing is a square bill crankbait from Warriors Tackle Supply. Now this crankbait right here is black on the top with a little bit of white and chartreuse. If you guys have seen my channel, I throw a lot of square bills, and I love the fact that these square bills, these Warrior Tackle Supply square bills kind of remind me of Strike King's square bills, but they are a little bit different. So I am excited to get this lure from these guys. Crankbait here also comes with VMC hooks, so they're coming with nice sharp hooks. That sometimes when I get a crankbait in, I generally take the hooks and swap them out, but since these already have VMC hooks on them from Warriors Tackle Supply, I'm not going to worry about swapping out hooks on a crankbait like this. I'm just probably going to fish it as is. This crankbait here from Warriors Tackle Supply prices out at $8.99, so we got a nice square bill crankbait in the box as well. The next thing in here is a Matsu popper. So this is like a little micro fishing popper, guys, if you can see that. This thing is, it's unique. I don't know that I would use this very much, but I could see it working for smallies, or if you're really trying to finesse the fish, or you're just trying to microfish. That's kind of been a trend lately with people, is doing these microfishing challenges. So if you're gonna do something like that, this would be a good option for that. This lure right here, this little lure right here, is gonna come in at $6. This thing would probably be pretty killer for crappie or something like that. And like I said, some microfishing stuff for bass as well. The next thing in this box, guys, is a hair jig. Now this is a 1/2 ounce white and chartreuse hair jig. I don't fish a ton of hair jigs, but after fishing for smallmouth in Sturgeon Bay, I love fishing hair jigs now. So I'm definitely going to be using this hair jig quite a bit, tossing it just around some weed edges or rock. Especially hair jigs usually pull through rock really well, so I'm definitely going to be using this hair jig. This is a 1/2 ounce hair jig, and this thing is going to be priced out at $7.99, so almost $8 for this 1/2 ounce hair jig. Not a bad deal for this sucker, and I'm pretty happy I got it in the box. This is probably not something I would buy either, but I'm excited to see it in the box because I definitely will be tossing. It's definitely something that I would throw for bass. Next thing that we have is Tournament Series soft lures from Warriors Tackle Supply. Looks like we got some swim baits in here. Definitely could use these for trailers on baits as well, or you could throw them on a little Texas rig, something like that. Definitely could use these to catch fish, no doubt in my mind. Now this package right here is priced out at $6. All right, the next thing that we got in here, which is big summertime lure here, guys, when it's really hot out and you're trying to get one big bite for the day. So you got these KVD big 10-inch worms here, guys. You can't beat that. Like I said, in the summertime when you're trying to generate that one big bite, it's a great idea to take one of these big 10-inch worms, throw it on a big hook, and just toss it out there and just slowly drag the bottom with these suckers, guys. And then you can generally generate a nice big bite with a big worm like this. Package of worms right here is KVD worms, and it is coming in at $4.99, guys. So about $5 for this bag of worms. Not a bad price overall as well. Then the last thing that I got in here is a Warriors Tackle Supply sticker. They always send like a sticker or a face shield with the box as well. So got quite a few things in this box. So let's read through the card one last time and then give you guys what the final total would be for all the stuff that came in the box. Warriors Tackle Supply crankbait came in at $8.99. The spinnerbait came in at $5.99. The live target jerkbait came in at $15.49. And then the live target popper came in at $15.49. The Strike King 10-inch worms came in at $4.99. The 3-inch swim bait soft plastics from Warriors Tackle Supply came in at $6.99. The hair jig came in at $7.99. And then the little micro popper came in at $6. And that gives us a total of $71.93 for everything that you've seen in the box today, guys. Comes in at $71.93. Overall, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items in the box, guys. All really nice quality baits. I'm honestly really impressed with the box. I would say that this is the best box I have received so far. I can't wait for next month's box and to share it with you guys. I'm also going to be taking these lures out this coming weekend and doing a challenge with them. I'm gonna do a Warriors Tackle Supply slam and try to catch fish off every single one of these lures in the box and see if we can't get that done, guys. So know in the comments, guys, if you think that the Pro Box is worth the money. Honestly, guys, After getting everything in the box, I really think that this was a really good box, like I said before. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Pro Box, how it stacks up to the standard box. Now I know that obviously the Pro Box is gonna have more in it than the standard box, but do you think it's worth the extra money to go with the Pro Box, or would you rather stay with the standard box? I don't know. I really like the Pro Box in my personal opinion. I like how much I get out of it. I always want to bulk in lures, and I really liked what I got out of the Pro Box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe for that 5,000 subscriber rod and reel giveaway. And like I always say, I got everything down in the description as well. So if you want to go check out Warriors Tackle Supply, they are linked in my description. So go ahead, click that link, go over there, check them out, see what they can do for you guys. Like I said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep fishing hard.